今回は Keen という話をします。たまにはですね、英会話レッスンでこのようなスーパー便利な言葉が出てきて、これ動画にしなきゃ、この素晴らしい言葉を紹介しないと皆さんが損をしてしまう可能性が十分ありますので、どうしてもね、この動画を作りたかったです。あとはこの動画の撮影日が金曜日ですので、ちょうどいいですね。Keen を聞いたことがある方がほとんどだと思いますが、でもね、実際の会話で使っている方が少ないような気がしますね。もったいない、もったいない。意味的にはざっくり言いますと、やる気があるとか、何かしたいとか、あとはあんまり好きじゃないとか、いろいろあります。例えば、To tell the truth, I'm not all that keen on classical music. 大事なポイントはですね、keen をそのまま文章に入れるとちょっと強いかなという印象があります。大体ですね、keen を使うときに、not so keen, not all that keen, really keen, pretty keen 柔らかくすることによって何か響きがいいですね。今から英語にしますね。皆さん、英語モードの準備できましたか？ So how about we get started on our study of how to use this incredibly useful word, keen. When we use the set keen on, we can build sentences in two ways. Keen on a thing. Keen on ing activity. If you're keen on something, it means you like it. You're interested in it. You have a passion for it. It's used quite a lot for future plans. I'm pretty keen on Roman history, so I have loads of books on it. He's really keen on stock cars, but he's never actually driven one. I'm keen on getting to know my workmates over the next few months. We're keen on doing DIY, so we're giving your daughter's room a makeover. Now, let's talk about using it negatively. This is probably a little more common in conversation. It's a softer way to say that you don't like something. It's very useful, and you don't hurt anybody's feelings. I'm not so keen on sushi, so I think I'll take a rain check this time round. She's not very keen on crowded places, but she went to USJ for her kids. I'm not keen on starting this venture without a solid plan, so let's get to work. He's not keen on dancing the night away in clubs. He's more of a homebody. There's one more subtle nuance that I have to tell you about. It's got more of an old school vibe, but people still say it. It's used for when you like a person. You know, I think he's keen on you. And then we went to the new place on the high street for some cappuccino. Oh, it was magnificent. Oh. Bradley speaking. This is customer service. How may I help you? Oh, yes. You ordered a winter coat, madam. Yes. But you're not very keen on the color. Oh. Sorry, madam. Come again. Oh, you're not very keen on how it fits you either. Right, what size did you order? A medium. And you would like to order a different size and a different color? Not a problem. What color would you like? Black. Black. You're not so keen on the bright colors. Yes. Well, darker colors are more slimming, aren't they? Yes. Oh, and what size would you like? An extra large? Well, I think a darker color is probably better for you. She hung up. She said she wasn't very keen on my attitude. The cheek of it. I wasn't very keen on her either. We can also use the keen to pattern. You use it in kind of a similar way to want to, but the feeling isn't exactly the same. Let's compare. I want to go to Canada. I'm keen to go to Canada. I want to go to Canada seems quite basic, like you have some kind of plan to go there. It sounds quite straightforward. I'm keen to go to Canada feels entirely different. It gives the impression that you might not be able to go. You want to go, but something might be holding you back, like money, time, or family. But you still really want to go. Having said all that, it's also commonly used meaning that you're pretty excited about doing something. You're looking forward to it. She's keen to get back to work after being on maternity leave for 3 months. I'm really keen to try the new burger on offer at my favorite restaurant. As with before, it's often used negatively. A gentle way of saying that you don't want to do something. I'm not all that keen to get the new vaccine as I've heard bad things about it. Her career is starting to take off, so she's not so keen to get married right now. Ha! Zorro is the name, freedom is the game. I'm very keen to help the people. Very, very keen. There is nobody keener than I, Zorro. Oh! It is Mama. I wonder what she wants. Hello?
Zorro, is that you?
Oh, of course it is me, Mama. Your number one son.
I'm ordering some Uber for dinner.
That's lovely, Mama. I know you're keen to save time on the cooking. Oh, and you're very, very keen to do some Netflix and chill. Oh, yes.
You want pizza, tacos, or sushi?
Sushi? Oh, I have never tried sushi, but I'm very keen to try it. Yes, I saw it in my favorite TV show. It is from Japan. You know, it always looks very good.
Do you mean Doraemon?
Yes, that's the one, Doraemon. Hola, llamo Doraemon. Yes, I'll see you for dinner, Mama. Kisses. Love you.
See you later.
I'm having sushi for dinner, but first, I'm very keen to help the people. Until next time. We can use keen just on its own. It's often used for talking about other people. He's very keen. She's keen. But especially in the UK, it can be used in a very sarcastic way. He's finished his homework already. He's keen. Have you packed for your big trip? Not yet. You're keen. We also use it for somebody who's really passionate about something. In some cases, we use it for people who are aspiring to improve their skills or perhaps even go professional. A keen chef, a keen footballer, a keen writer, a keen dancer, a keen artist. I'm a keen YouTuber. I'll make it one day. Watch this space. It's homework time. Today's homework is about similes. What's a simile, I hear you ask? Well, it's a figure of speech which compares one thing against another thing using as. So some examples would be as big as a house, or as brave as a lion, or even as cool as a cucumber. Now, the homework is, which simile do we use keen for? As keen as something. Put your answer down in the comments and I look forward to hearing from you. Best of luck!